Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of my Boxycharm. I actually have the Eyeshadow Palette on. This is a really good box, you guys. So I got 2 palettes in my box. Whoa. I was a little disappointed by last month's box, so I felt like this was exciting for me because it kind of like got me back in the Boxycharm spirit. So first up, what we have is the Touch in Soul Fill Up Orange Eyeshadow Palette. It's really pretty. It's beautiful and summery. I'm just a little upset because this glitter guy right here broke. But I did manage to get some on my eyes right now, so I'm going to show you guys a close-up of it. Here's the color that kind of broke. It's really, really pretty. And then we have this color right here, which is a really beautiful gold shimmery shade. And then I like this color too because it has little pops of pink. It's really beautiful. And then you guys know how I feel about peachy corals. Beautiful. And this is a really pretty bronzer shade. And I actually used this for the brow bone, right underneath my brow bone. And then I felt like my eyes were a little bit dark and kind of tired because I barely slept this weekend. And I actually used a little bit of this shade right underneath in those blue bag areas of my eyes. And it looked really, really nice and soft. Okay, and then next up we have the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette. So I'm a complete idiot. At first I thought it was powder. And then I opened it up. Nice soft creamy consistency. What I think is really pretty is this blush color right here, but you could really use it on your lips as well. I have it on my cheeks, and then I did put just a little bit on to my lips. It just gives you that really summery, soft, pretty look. And then it is definitely buildable. I didn't use this shade right here, just because I forgot about it. But then I have this color right here on as my highlight, and I had just kind of mixed a little bit up into my forehead and down here, and I put it on over powder because I like the way that it looks a little bit softer. It makes sure, so when you have a lot of powder on, sometimes it can look a little bit cakey. I like putting like these creamy type of colors, or I like putting these creamy formulas on my face over top of powder because it kind of brings your skin back to life and makes it look a little bit more dewy, glowy. It makes it look a little bit more like skin and hydrated, I guess. So I really, really like this a lot. You know how much I love blushes too. All right, next up, then we have the Cab. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Everyone judges me on how I say things wrong, but I don't really care. It's K-A-B, lip liner and gloss, and it's in the shade Charming. I swatched it right here because I knew I wasn't going to like the color for myself. It's a little too pink. I don't know. This type of pink is not for me. I think this color looks better on darker skin tones. I think it just kind of washes me out and makes me look a little crazy. So I'm going to put this into a giveaway that I'm going to do soon. And then last but not least, is that last? Oh no, not last, just kidding. Is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub by First Aid Beauty. Okay, so I opened it up. First thing I had to do was smell it. There's really not much of a smell to it, but ready? I'm gonna show you guys. This is a awesome, awesome, awesome exfoliator. There's so much beads in it. So it says it's safe for sensitive skin. So I'm just gonna show you guys how thick it is. As you guys can see, look at all the beads in it. Do you guys see that? Tons and tons of beads. So you could probably use this on your face, anywhere you have like dry skin. If you're having pimples, acne, oily skin, you just want to, anything you want to scrub off your dead skin cells. Oh, perfect. And I like that it doesn't smell like alcohol, because a lot of times exfoliators can have that like strong alcohol smell, which I know is way too rough. So this is really nice and gentle. Then up next we have the Lily Lashes Triple Mascara. I didn't open it up. I have a million mascaras, so I'm going to throw that into a box too for a giveaway. Okay, so to enter my giveaway, you have to be following me on Instagram. You have to be following me on YouTube as well, and leave a alien emoji, like the alien face. You guys know I love aliens. That's going to be it for the giveaway. So make sure you leave the alien emojis below. If you guys want extra entries, you can leave the you can leave the alien emojis on my Instagram pictures too. My giveaway is going to be international, and it's going to end next week, Tuesday the 23rd, and it's going to end at noon. So I will make sure I DM the winner. I'm going to start putting some stuff in the giveaway box, and yeah, just keep an eye out on my Instagram. That way you guys can see what I'm kind of putting in the box for my winner. I hope you guys like this video. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.